Good day everyone, I'm Mark Wilson Musoles. Let's talk about my moral character development. When I was a child, I did not have any experience making friends because we moved from house to house because we only rented place to stay in. I did not know how to talk to people because I was a shy child. Significant event. There was not really a problem back then. I just live always in our house, comfortable with my mom and dad. Influence. My mom taught me how important it is to be kind and respect other people, particularly towards elders. I learned respect and kindness. When I'm 7 years old, this was the happiest time of my life because my mom gave birth to my little sister and I'm not lonely anymore. I have someone to play with. Significant event. I was accused in my elementary school of pushing my classmate and making my mom go to school. I could not speak and I could not defend myself because I was shy. The accusation was repeated when I was in grade 5. Not I wet my teacher's tablet with water and I was charged for the damage. I will never forget that time I was so angry with people back then. They took advantage of my shyness and quietness. I learned the importance of self-advocacy because I'm unable to speak up for myself due to shyness. I directly experienced the negative consequences. This teaches me the crucial importance of learning to defend myself and express the truth. During the pandemic, I was addicted to online games and still did not have friends at that time. So I was always at home. But after pandemic, my father bought me a bike and it changed my life because I could go to place wherever I want using my bike. I also made so many friends because of cycling, and because of that, I realized that you just need to go outside your comfort zone to discover the world around you. Significant event. I got accident in a race because I was not careful. Because of that, I got injured and resting for 2 months. I am disappointed of myself because my hard work of training was came to nothing. I learned that I need to be careful next time and not all the time I win in the race. So I just train harder and win soon. My friends become major influence to me. They taught me that it's okay to fail, but I have to be strong and get back. Their words and support helped me gain confidence. And that's all. Thank you.